Today we are learning in Excel how to create online examinations software in Excel. Now in this, question number 1, fill in the blanks is there. 4 fill in the blanks I have given. So fill in the blanks also will work in the examination software. Then true or false will work in the examination software. Then multiple choice question single choice, you can give one choice answer. Then multiple choice question 2 choices. Then multiple choice question 3 choices, and then match the following. So you just do the data entry. I'll teach you the formula part all as such. Now here it is free span. The student cannot, if student is clicking anywhere in the question, it will not allow to click. The student can only click give the answer on the box. That is unprotected. Rest everything is been protected, so you cannot type anywhere. Now this is the test. Now let's say I'm giving the test. Now first answer for this, I'm typing information technology. The spelling is wrong, let it be wrong. So now here I'm writing the right spelling, information technology. Here I'm writing uh, answer right, so that means and here I'm writing the answer, that is information technology. Now true or false. Now true or false, let's say I'm writing here true. Here also I'm writing, where I'm writing it will allow me to type only in the boxes. So if I'm typing anywhere, it will give me that you cannot type. Here I'm giving answer false, and here I'm giving the answer false. Now coming to multiple choice question single choice, 4 questions are there. Now here I'm giving the answer, let's say A. Here also I'm giving A. Here I'm giving B. Here I'm giving C. Now multiple choice question 2 choices. Now in this, if I'm writing one answer right, it will give me right. One answer wrong, it will give me wrong. So now let's say here I am giving A, and here I am giving C, and here I am giving A, and here I am giving D. Now multiple choice question 3 choices. Now here I am giving A, B and C, and here I am giving A hardware, C software, E computer network. Now match the following is there. Now for computer, the answer will be computer A, so the answer will be D. And keyboard will be input device, the answer will be C. And here I am giving A and B. So I have completed my test. Now I am sending this test. Here you can see I'm just scrolling it little bit down. There is a clipboard. There is email clipboard. Now I am typing the email address what teacher has given, abbaslalani@hotmail.com. I am reviewing my subject line, and I am writing my roll number. My roll number, let's say it's 500, and I am clicking on send. So my paper will be delivered to the teacher. Now I have to check my inbox whether I have received the paper or not. It takes time, because it has been configured through Outlook Express. Here is my, yeah, I got my paper. Great. The roll number 500, I got the paper. Now I am double click on it, and I am downloading my paper. it is already quiz is there, so I'm downloading by the name, the roll number was 500. Save. Now I can open my file. Now as a teacher I have to check the paper. Yeah, enable editing. So here is the paper of the student who has given the paper. Now he has attempted the question. I don't have to do anything. I have to just open this. I have to click on unhide. Unhide is my what? Score. That student cannot see. Here if the student clicks on unhide also, he will not see anything. Nothing can be visible because this sheet is protected. Click on unprotect. Put the password. Okay. After unprotect also the student will not able to see. Now what I have to click here. Here I have to click on unhide, and here is the score. You can see whichever answer is correct, it will show correct. Out of 42, out of 42, out of 42, out of 63, out of out of 42, out of 64, and out of 4 matched the following all 4. Great. So I got 17 marks out of 26, and here is my percentage 65, and here I had got okay first class. So everything is formula based, so I will teach you the formula part. Now this is very important. Understand the formula first very carefully, because based on first formula only you can do the entire online quiz. It is damn so simple. Here what will happen, student will give the exam on the respective computer, and through online, okay, through internet, through email, you will get the complete answer sheet, and that too will be corrected by the software by its own. Now understand the formula carefully. Now here is my what? B5. This is my B5, this is my B8, this is my B11, and this is my B14. I'll first write the first formula. Now is equal to if test B5. Now test is my this sheet, you can see test is equal to score B3. Now score is my this sheet, and B3 is over here. Okay, if it is correct, okay, or if both matches, okay, B5 test B5 and B3, the answer will be correct, and if it doesn't matches, the answer will be incorrect. I'll just type the formula for you so you can understand it better. Here is the formula, is equal to if bracket open, you have to go to test B5, so automatically has come, is equal to, go to score, here B3. If both the matches, okay, then only computer give the answer correct, correct, otherwise give the answer that is incorrect. That's it, one simple formula. Here the same formula applies on here also. Now here you will tell the formula. Now what will happen here, what has to be matched after B5? B8. B8 has to be matched with what? B4. Yeah, so here you can see B8 has to be matched with B4, correct, otherwise give incorrect. So this is the formula. You have to just copy paste, and you have to match test with score, test cell with the score cell. Simple, that's it. And here the count formula, count if C3 to C6 correct, then only give the count. Okay, same formula over here, same formula over here, same formula over here, here also, here also, here, and here will be the total of the complete cell D6 to D39, and here the percentage. Simple. 26 marks is the paper, is equal to sum D40 will divide by 26 into 100. So if any student scores all complete 26, so computer will give 100%. And here is the if condition: if D41, that is my percentage, is greater than equal to 75, computer please give distinction. If D4 greater than is equal to 60, computer give first class. If D41 is greater than equal to 45, second class. If D41 greater than equal to 35, pass class. Otherwise any score comes okay below 35, computer give fail. So here the student has scored percentage 65, so it is first class. So in this way, okay, your software will go on. Now how to hide the sheet that I have done it, that I'll show it to you. Select the cell 1 2 3 4, right click all the 4 cells that I have selected, 1 2 3 4, right click here, click on hide, and then here you have to click on protect sheet and put the password. And here again hide. So student will see only this part test. Even if the student tries is smart, okay, click on unhide, click on OK, student will see nothing because it is password protected. Okay, as a teacher you will do unhide and you will do unprotect by putting the password, and then you will select everything, click here and then unhide, then only it is visible. So in this way the complete software has been created by this simple formula. This will be very useful for the teacher who wants to create online examination stuff. Thank you very much.